morning, people. How you guys doing? Welcome back to another chapter of this journey about cleaning this car, getting it ready. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna give you a date, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be doing today. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumb up, do all the good stuff you know got to do on YouTube. See if I can spread some of this journey I'm doing. Okay, so a few updates. I was able to clean this mat there. The car have two mats. They have that one, that's the one they go on the top. This is the whole one. Technically this is the one that hold all the weight. It's a wood, so I clean it. It's very good. The only thing, this one have a little bit pain. That's good. For that one, I clean it the best I can. Like you see, I did some pressure washer. I don't like how they're doing, but I have an idea. Instead of painting, what I did was I ordered floor mat, the plastic cover. It's not that I need to use this one and trim it, but it's gonna look better than this one for sure. I'm gonna keep that one in the car anyway, extra protection, but I just bought a new one, plastic, to work. Also I cleaned these two front seats. That one, the driver one, it look a little bit messy, but it look better than before. I'm gonna still cleaning it. It has some you can see some lines there for pressure washer, but again, it still look better than that before, so I'm good with that. I'm gonna try to paint that and look those one better. The metal part, the support, you tied it to, you screw it to the car. The passenger one's good. I need to work today if I have time. I'm gonna work with the real ones. Those ones, they look better. They just look dirty, but they look better because they were covered all the time with the back. So they were covered, so they look, I just need to paint it. Excuse me, clean it. No, I'm not gonna paint it. Just they're just dirty, so I just need to clean it. This one, they're gonna come easy. However, the back side, there's some paint there. What I find out, the pressure washer remove this paint pretty good. The other one, it doesn't go that way. Okay, that one, excuse me. Whoops. Okay, talking about the glove box. I clean it. It look better. Sugar was gone. Still some dust, so I just need to just wipe down. Finish to clean that one, but it look good. And then after that, you just put it back together. We got some plastic. This part of the center console. After I clean it, I tried to be gentle, but it got a bunch of gunks and stuff. So I was able to clean it. I leave it for a few days, sunk in waters with soap. Remove the coins. The weird thing, I found $22.30 in coins. This car is paying off some of the cleaning product that I'm using. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing today, I'm gonna try to clean this floor mat on both sides. Okay, and clean the floor, clean that, and see if I can do this better to start getting ready to pull the seats. And then after that, I'm gonna try to go to the doors and that side. So for this side, I was able to clean the seal belt, so it's working better than before. I was able to clean this one, so this side is technically good. I just need to pop this one back there. I need to missing one of the plastic thing that hold it together. I just have one. I just need to punch it back. I'm gonna clean all the seat belts. I need to clean that one, this one. That's what I have it loose. They're working, but I want to clean it. They look a little bit better. But this side is good. And also, last thing I did, but I did it off camera, was I put the plastic back together around side. The only thing I don't like, whoever have these cars, they did a weird thing. Look, I'm not a fan of this one. Those thing, no, there's way you can fix it better, but again, look like whoever had this car, they just like, I need to work, that's all. That's the only thing I don't like from this one, but it's back together. The trunk, I just need to put back the subwoofer. I need to clean it better, and technically, and then work with the front of that car. Because talking about the dash, this house look like, it look dirty, so I need to clean that. I need to clean the stick. This one, I don't know who put this thing there. I don't know. See if I can remove it without damage it. So I'm gonna see what I can do with this one. And then clean the radio. I'm thinking remove everything and clean everything. I don't want to put water on the radio. And clean all the dash. I'm trying to clean it the best I can. So far the ceiling is not that bad. I'm at least it's not saggy. Everything worked. But I'm gonna work with that later when I start cleaning the car. Yeah, this one is working. This one is working, so that's good. At the end of the product, what I'm waiting for the car, it's gonna be a decent condition. It's not gonna be brand new or perfect, but inside is gonna be decent, like that. Expecting the windshield gonna stay like that. This one's gonna stay like that. I don't expect too much. And later, when I start working with it outside, we figure out for those paint. I know they can be removed. It's not fabric, but I'm gonna clean that. I need to clean that engine, stuff like that. But today, we're gonna concentrate on those mats. Okay. So let's go deep on that one and see how the end of this product. Well, you can see the difference that I have before and after. Now, I guess let's go clean those plastic. Clean that armrest. See how these dash come on together. And this backside. Now I finished already to clean the seats. I did that off camera because the battery was dead. So anyway, I need to keep going. Also clean the rear seat. I need to vacuum that corner. It just fall, and then I start already cleaning the dash. So I take two parts, and then what we're gonna be doing is gonna be working with that dash. See how this one came. I'm not gonna take the radio off. I decided to don't take the radio off because there's a bunch of stuff, and I don't have. I don't wanna. I don't think it's gonna be a great idea to take it off. I think I can clean it like that. I have a steamer. I have the vacuum, and I'm gonna try to carefully and do it. So let's go start with that one. you go. I just cleaned the dash. I just need to see how in the bottom there's some a box and stuff. I need to try to get there and clean the bottom part. I think I'm gonna do like a trick that I see one time with a small hose and see if vacuum that one, because the vacuum doesn't get there. But radio is clean, the dash is clean, the steering wheel I cleaned it the best I can. They have some tear there, but anyway, it was clean better. Everything was full with gone, those debris that came with the grease and oil from the hand and stuff like that, dirt. Everything is clean. Now what I'm gonna do is those two doors, and technically all the plastic will be good for it. Anyway, after I clean, there's some dust up before the seats get in here. I'm gonna do another vacuum before I clean already that back. Seats there back there clean. So see how this one start coming together. There you go, guys. Already have the first driver's seat already in place. So we got center console done, dash done, this door is done. So I'm gonna shut down. So now we're gonna go with it. I'm missing this seat, missing the back seat. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna complete this one off camera so you guys see the final product. So see you in a little bit. Here we have the final product. So I was able to clean it. There's some paint here that I wasn't able to take off. I'm gonna try later with all the product. I don't want to check if it's plastic, so I don't want to put nothing that is gonna melt the plastic. See there here, both seats, all the dash is clean. So we good on the front. After I finish everything, I'm gonna do a whole vacuum, the whole thing, the whole car. So for the back, all the plastics are good. I just need to tie that seat belt. I clean all the seat belts. The only thing I need to do is wait for the seats to get dry, and after they're dry, I'm gonna put it there. I think tomorrow afternoon I'm gonna be able to put the seats back, and then after that we're gonna go with the exterior of this car. So if you're wondering for the doors, I'm gonna clean those plastic when I start cleaning the car. I normally clean this one when I clean the exterior of the car. Again, this is all the side, the driver's side door. There's some paint. I was thinking, someone told me one time to use gasoline. I don't know, I need to check if I can find any product I can remove paint from plastic without damaging the plastic, because both door they have some paint, like including the outside, the paint outside at the bumper. I need to clean this trunk I don't like to, so I clean the seat where it's going to sit. I also like to clean, so later on tomorrow I'm gonna take care of that one too. So this is all for today, my friends. Thank you for watching. We're gonna continue later with updates about the car, about the project. It's almost done. The only thing I need to do is the trunk, the rear part, the trunk area, and the outside, and the engine, of course. Do some stuff, but it's technically take some time. If it's don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new. If you also, you can follow me on Instagram on LDD Automotive. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that bell button to know when I'm putting more new stuff. Again, I'm an active duty soldier, so I don't post all the time. This is a project that I do for keep my mind busy. I don't have a specific time to do videos, so it's randomly whenever I have. Thank you guys, and have a great day.